Welcome back to another video. This is my first video with Austin, and today we are going to show you how to get infinite resource points, but we're not going to do the parkour part since we kind of suck. But
Wait, what
I
are
will
we
play
doing?
video on that. It's not technically. I'm going into series. It's not technically infinite resource points, but let's get geared up. So what you want to do is you want to
It
come over
technically
here.
is.
I get the millions and I fall back. Chameleons, they change for some change. For days is the same. Switch for the fame. Louis Vuitton, I'm in my bag. And my memory gone.
I'll tell you what you need. So you would need. Let me show you. If you don't have
videos, let's go.
Don't have grappling hook. I don't know what
Come
you
on,
could
come on,
do.
boys, come on,
You could
boys,
just
come on,
ask for
boys.
one. CC gadgets. You could use this rocket right here.
For my video, I'm kind of just like trying to. I'll be right back. I'm gonna record.
You could use a rocket right there. So let's get into it. So we'll meet. So I'll meet you when we're in sewers. Okay, guys. Here we are. So as you can see, the silver ore gives you nuts.
Yeah, the silver
So I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone.
is kind of my favorite because it gives you the nuts so you can
You
like buy
guys
stuff
gotta
with.
mine all of these.
I mean, really, everything gives you nuts, kind of. Everything, pretty much
And the
every.
green stuff could either give you random stuff, or it could give you other stuff. I don't know
Wanted what's a black grand national? Fuck being rational.
what it could be.
Yeah, green kind of just gives you random stuff and nuts, and sometimes good stuff.
I
So-
mean, it sometimes can be coins, like company coins.
Yeah. It can kind of be anything, honestly, but it's not the best for
Also,
getting.
you can see
company
yours up
coins.
there. See, this is all the random stuff. So, you might
See, like,
go
you can get a pogo stick from it, or whatever you want to call it.
and
Bouncy
then
stick, I
we'll
don't know.
go to the next area. That's like the best place to mine. Except for the parkour area, but it's like the second best place to mine. If you don't want to do the parkour in your butt cheeks. Now guys, you see this red light green? Wait, monster, do not touch those veins or else you will get hit by a giant eye. And you will not
Yeah,
like
you
it.
don't wanna
Oh
touch
my
this.
god, I almost just touched it.
If you touch this, you'll
What?
just take damage, but if you touch that, you'll most likely
Boom.
just pretty much die. He died. I have your stuff here, so.
We're doing one some right back at the red light green line.
And you can also kill this guy. Just beat him to death with a crowbar. And then you're set.
Okay?
What?
Okay, bro?
What? I don't know. What did you say?
There?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I killed him, so, and your stuff is still here, so. So, if you want to mine the purple one,
I'm coming back down.
it gives you resource points. Like, sometimes. Like, you have to mine a certain amount of them to get a
Do you
resource
not know how to
point.
use your walkie-talkie?
Sorry, I just wasn't trying to respawn, my bad.
Already coming back down.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Yeah, see,
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm where the red, white, green eye guy was.
Too easy, you gotta kill him.
See, if you can just turn them out. See, I mined so many, I still already.
Move, move. Don't move this. Don't move this. Don't try to kill him. I'm here. Run. Now.
What? I killed him.
Wait, hold
It's
on.
fine.
Wait, don't mind these purple ores yet.
Okay.
And as you can see, we run in. I'm back, guys. And as you can see, we run into our first purple left, guys.
Yeah, see, I've mined a bunch. I still haven't got one yet, so.
Okay. Well, We'll go to the mimic area and then we'll show you that and then we'll end the video and then we'll see you guys next time. So let's go to the mimic area. But we got a bunch of ores here and if you just want to mine here, I mean you can. But if you want to go to the second best area or the first best, grab the bomb, move. Austin, where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Okay, come on. Okay, we're moving forward, guys.
Hold on, give me a sec. Bro, I didn't move!
Austin, did you just die?
Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video. I haven't been recording VR videos, so Animal Company is gonna be my first one! Yeah! Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please. And also subscribe to him. What's your channel?
I'm gonna touch you.